Hello and welcome to this video. In this one, I'm going to show you what's the fastest way to create ads online. So if you want to promote your company, if you want to promote your website, maybe you already have everything ready. By everything, I mean like you know what product you want to sell, like you have your offer, you have your audience, so you know who you want to sell that product to. Then you have your website done or your funnel, and now you need to find traffic sources, so where you're gonna get your people to see this website and to see your offer, and then like what types of ads you want to use. So to do this, we're gonna use the simple method of spying on other people, or just looking on what other successful websites are doing online and then just modeling what they do. So I'm a big believer in this concept where you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So you just look at what is already working and just do that for you. So do that for your offer and for your website. So we're just gonna jump here on Google and we're gonna write a couple of expressions here. So let's say I just wrote a couple here. You are selling clothes online. So you're into e-commerce and you have a physical product, which is maybe t-shirts, maybe I don't know, like caps, pants, and all these stuff. And you're just gonna go on Google and you're gonna see like what other people are doing, and you're gonna see their website, and then I'm gonna show you the process. So let's type here buy urban clothing. Okay, and since I'm in Russia right now, there's gonna be like some Russian examples. So let's go with top streetwear. So you're gonna go on their website, and this one looks really ugly. Let's check another one. Let's go with Urban Outfitters. Okay, so what you need to do on this website is to find the Facebook link. So you find the Facebook. So for this one, it's gonna be either on top of the website or at the bottom. So they have the Facebook link. We're gonna click on this one, and Facebook's gonna open here. And now you're gonna go here because Zuckerberg like had this problem last year where he had like to go to the senators and explain how their business works. And now they have this option here on every single page who can advertise on Facebook. You can see info and ads, and you're gonna go here and you're gonna click on info and ads, and here you can see like for this country, like I'm in Russia right now, there are no ads. But if I'm gonna select another country, let's go with United States, then they're gonna show me some ads. As you can see here, like this is what you need to do. If this is working for them, and in order to see if it's working for them, you need to get some stats about the website. And that's for this I use an extension, like a Chrome extension, and then there's a website, it's called SimilarWeb, and you're gonna click on this one. It's this one, like blue and orange thing. We're gonna click on it, and as you can see, they have 15 million visits. And if somebody has 15 million visits, usually like about 20,000 and up, then they know what they're doing, because most websites don't even get 20,000 visits per month. And these owners, like the owners of this website, get 14 million, 12 million, 40 million again. So 40 million visits means it's legit, and you can model what they're doing because they're successful. Because if they're using these type of ads, it means it works for them and it will work for you. So as you can see, it's really simple. It's an image ad. They give you some sort of coupon for dresses and this thing, and then like 30% limited time. So my best guess is that these are retargeting ads. So if somebody goes on this website, so if I'm gonna go on this one, and as you can see, they have Pixel installed. This is an extension, like as you can see here, Facebook Pixel Helper. If I'm gonna click on it, it's gonna tell me they're using a Facebook Pixel, which means they're gonna retarget me. So they're collecting data about me right now, and they can show me ads. But I'm not gonna go. My guess is that if I'm gonna go and visit dresses, they're gonna retarget me with this ad, which means they're gonna show me this ad in the in my Facebook feed. So they have like 3 ads here for the United States. So they're more like, probably they're using more of Google ads, or they're getting ads somewhere else. And let me see, global ads. So you can do this for every single product. So I'm gonna show you a couple more. So let's say we're buying cars. So I'm gonna go with this one, buy cars. Okay, so simple buy cars. You can do this locally. So if, for example, you live in New York, or I don't know, in Seattle, or in United Kingdom, France, you can do this the same process. So you're gonna go buy cars, and let's select an example. So let's go with this one, Auto Trader UK. And again, the same process. We're gonna try to find the Facebook account. So here it is. It's again at the bottom of the website. And we're gonna go for info and ads. Again, they're using ads. Some people don't use ads, but this page is using ads, and they're running ads in the United Kingdom. So we're gonna click on this one, and as you can see, that's the type of ad that you need to create. And let me see if they have traffic. So if I'm gonna click on SimilarWeb again, you can see, okay, so they have 27 million visits per month, which means you can definitely look at what they're doing, because they're successful. So they're selling bikes, they're selling like, you can see short copy. They're not even like telling you a lot. They're using bit.ly links. So if they're doing this and you're selling cars as well, you may consider doing it as well. So search over, like, let's say you have 50 models, search over 50 motorhomes, something like that, and then pictures. See a picture of product in nature, then product with blue background, logo here. So if they're doing this, you should do it as well. Okay, so as you can see, family. So their focus, as I can see here, is motorhomes. Yeah, that's about it, like mobile homes, and they're selling bikes. So you can find your competitors in any niche. So I'm gonna try just one more. Let's go with social media agency New York. I'm gonna show you just one more thing here. I'm gonna copy this, and let's say that, as you can see here, we have 4 ads on Google. So usually maximum, like if you're gonna type anything in Google, you're gonna have like 4 ads here. It says ad with green. So let's take LRXD. Actually, if I'm gonna click on this one, like, they're gonna be charged because it's a CPC ad, so it's cost per click. So if I'm gonna click here, they're gonna be charged. Sorry guys. So I'm gonna go and find their Facebook. Alright, so they don't have Facebook displayed here. Okay, so they have it here. I'm gonna click on Facebook, and I'm gonna go again to info and ads. So if you're selling like services and you're a social media agency, or you want to like do somebody else's social media presence, like to create their Facebook account, manage their Instagram, run their ads on Facebook and Google, then like this is what you may research your competitors. So as you can see, these people don't use Facebook ads. Like, they don't have any ads running at the moment, which is like kind of weird, because they're doing ads for somebody else, but they're not doing ads for themselves. Alright, so I found this, the first link, which is integer.com. I'm gonna go to their page. Again, at the bottom there's Facebook, and then it's the Integer group. Like, they have a really good name, as you can see here. Like, they even secured this name, Integer, facebook.com/integer. Okay, so I'm gonna just choose the country. They're running ads only in the United States, and they have like 3 ads, probably again for retargeting. So for those who are gonna go and visit this page, which is integer.com, they're gonna show them this ads, most likely. That's my guess, but maybe they're showing these ads to a specific audience. Okay, so as you can see, like, they're using their brand color, which is like this red, and then this white, and like some sort of like everything here is branded. Like, you can have, maybe you have your own color and you shoot for a brand, maybe it's blue. So we can just see what they're doing for their own ads, and just model this. So that's the big takeaway from this. You need to find someone successful. You need to see what they're doing and to model. If their website like looks super clean, and they're using like a special box where they're asking people who are visiting the website to enter phone number, and then they're gonna call, then you should probably do the same. If they're using through email, so they're collecting the email and then they're sending emails through through some email software, then you should do that as well, because it most likely works for them. So I'm gonna just check just to assure with SimilarWeb. So they have like 38,000, then like 14,000, 35,000. So 35,000 visits per month. That's still legit. So you can model what these people are doing. And yeah, I hope you find value in this video, and if you do, definitely leave a like. If you are gonna use it or you have any questions, let me know down below, and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be making more content about how to actually grow every single step of starting and growing an online business. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.